Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't beat Wolves 2-1 to enter 5th for table and stay 1 point behind Manchester United with 2 outstanding games. For the first half against Wolves, Gabriel Magalhaes make one mistake where Wolves take score 1-0. Then Arsenal try heaven and earth and you know what, until the second half when Arteta can introduce Pepe and Nketiah. For 82 minutes, Pepe scored to make them 1-1 and all the fans everywhere can't get believe, say equalizer fit come. And then for 95 minutes, Lacazette can fire one shot where Jose Sa can concede to make am own goal. And so Arsenal they win the game 2-1. At the end of the match, for the media setting, they asked Mikel Arteta about updates, injury update, because we noticed say Smith Rowe and Tomiyasu, so they don't play that match. So they ask Baba, say what's up, what's happened with them? So they let us know, say Smith Rowe is sick, say that is why he no fit play the game, he don't even there for the squad at all. And at the same time, Tomiyasu don't get a reoccurring calf injury. That's why Baba not even did the squad at all. So just be very happy, at least from now till I think about on the 6th of March we'll go play again. And many days. So no, those who don't get injury go recover. Even at the end of the day, I'm telling himself come get whether a small knock, I don't know. Because the guy already run, bombard on that left flank. But as he just get that injury, just come out and immediately put Nuno Tavares. So hopefully by the 6th we will play Watford, everybody will done day fully fit and ready to fire on. And at the same time, many pundits going to talk about Odegaard. Even Ian Wright said talk to Odegaard, now be the glue where they gum all Arsenal attack, where they gum all players, they make them the tick, they bring them into the play. So Odegaard now the way he done the play since when he joined Arsenal, he has been a phenomenal midfielder. Say Real Madrid now they go to regret. So why then sell this guy Odegaard who give Arsenal, may come enrich Arsenal midfield, because when you check Real Madrid midfield, you see all this kind of Toni Kroos, Luka Modric, Casemiro, all those kind of people, they be just old men. They don't get any youngster who will succeed them. They could have kept Odegaard, give him more playing time, but as Arsenal can say, okay, come join us, come give the guy more playing time, and the guy they happy for London because it's part of the people who they help us go back to the top 4, because another Champions League, and there we go. Then at the same time, Eduardo Inda will be one of the transfer gurus ready for the world. Don't come and let us know, say Arsenal and Liverpool don't make offer to Real Madrid for Marco Asensio. They would like to carry Asensio for Real Madrid, so we never know how much. Now undisclosed fee, they don't put their own offers down, so they would like to carry the guy. I don't think this guy said a surplus requirements for that Real Madrid. Not really they enjoy game time. Everybody want they play regularly, you get. And this is why we say Arsenal don't they try to secure European football. If we attract some of the best names in world football. So me, I'm not surprised say Arsenal they didn't link to Asensio. Not be able to do don't they link to the guy. So hopefully now at the end of the summer everything will be very clear. But for now, they link to go. Don't they get the movement don't they go, because we don't want to say summer don't reach now, can't they waste time, because don't forget say World Cup still this year, so it's going to still be a busy year again. So we don't want to make them play World Cup finish, because World Cup ever did after the summer, after the league don't end. So no one make if you say we're going to let players go to play World Cup. That's why they link to them now, so that it will be very easy. Once summer don't end like this, oh yeah, see your money can't join us. Meanwhile, I know say this match will play against Wolves. Michael Owen predicted saying at 0-0. Now Arsenal go play Wolves, but we don't bust the brain. Don't let them know say, this Arsenal way they see now, it did different from Arsenal of the past. This Arsenal they get one kind of resilience. You get, they get the grit. You get. They get the productivity to knock anybody on a good day. You could say people supposed to win. How could they win them? Those will be say then they below us for the Keda. Those will be say we know so they will be our mates to get. Or those will did the same level with us, more they knock them get. All those kind of Man City, Liverpool, they knock us no yawa. Those one they still pass us get. On a good day, if they super lucky, we still beat them. But man for man, on paper, they are better than us. So if those type of people beat us, those supposed to they cry, say those ones then beat us. Now all this kind of Wolves, they want this kind of West, and all this kind of Leicester, all this kind of Tottenham, who catch them, normal level. On my familiar setting, they they ask Mikel Arteta and say, what did they stop with Lacazette's contract now? Because see the way the guy played against Wolves, you can see how passionate he is. So after the contract, so Arteta can't say, the way Lacazette they play, truly, he's playing like he wants to stay. Get, say the guy did very good, but there's a chance. Say they will still sign the guy, get, they still give him a contract, but for now, they know the reason anything contract. Say they don't agree with the players, but the hierarchy, everybody say, Moko leaves contract talk for now. At the end of the summer, all of us go gather together for round table, we'll discuss how the season will go, whether we'll give you 1 year extension and whether we'll give you 2 years extension. And don't forget, giving Lacazette a contract. Me, I just do devil's advocate now. Giving Lacazette a contract, and I know if you say it will set us back, because at the end of the summer we are signing like 2 strikers to get. Then adding Lacazette, Lacazette will be happy to be the third choice striker. How many games he will play? It depends. Many things they attach. That's why Ateta they watch in hand. He don't want to show in hand to us. But it's okay. We want to sign Lacazette because at his age. We know how many goals he don't score he gets. We are not signing a striker to come and give us hold up play and link up play. We need goals, but we need the boss man to get. So that's the major issue. So Lacazette did good, but once in a while give us this kind of spectacular performances. If you say they give us this kind of performances now week in, week out, it's a different thing. But not be occasionally, we just display occasionally. But the guy they try, I like his work rates. He's really trying. And at the same time, Maya Yoshida, who be former Leicester City centre back, don't come as I call the talk say Tomiyasu will later convert to centre back for Arsenal, because you know say the way the guy versatility be. Say Ateta fit still use am centre back, but you know say the guy if he play right back, if he play left back, if he play centre back, you get. He fast to play on the wings, you get. So that centre back gone in love to play that play because he's bullish and tall and he get area threat. So you know if he just bully him anyhow. So for all the talk say maybe in the future the basically convert him there. No yeah one anyhow. He good me player, they versatile. Don't forget say Ben White itself can play right back. So all this kind of versatility. Now make Ateta buy him. They call this kind of people utility players because you can use them for other means. Our familiar setting, Ateta when they talk about Nicolas Pepe, whether they ask him, say, I ain't see the way Pepe take change the match. Pepe and Nketiah as they enter, everything just change, everywhere is soft. So Baba when they talk, say, almost say we are seeing a different Nico now. So the Pepe what they see now, ever since where this guy come back from AFCON. See the guy don't really change his style of play. He get that determination now, that zeal, the wasteful on the ball. It's very, very good. And don't forget, say Pepe get 2 years left on the contract. For those who talk say, better sell him. It's our highest player who don't sign for £72 million. So many things they attach for the guy head. So I just like the fact say even those we know they get game time, normal. Everybody they fight for this top 4. Everybody they fight. Say okay, Champions League, we must go that Champions League. So I think very happy with the development. They go around like Arsenal make me proud that yesterday. Like I never celebrate the way I celebrated yesterday in a very, very long time. Like I asked the way I jumped, I nearly shed tears of joy. Like it was so sweet, the dramatic comeback. Come on, man! I just did speechless. I don't just know what to talk again. All my niggas just they call me say, "Sanchez, they saw, oh God." Whoa, that yesterday, I sleep like a baby. It sweet me die. At the same time, they ask Ateta, say, I just see the way the team don't change now from where they did from the beginning of the season to where they did now. So back when they talk, say, don't be lying. So for the beginning of the season, they fight relegation. That was the battle. They were battling relegation. Then all of a sudden, they come reach relegation. And now, fast forward how many games? 25 games or 24 games thereabout. We don't look say okay, let us take it game after game so that we can qualify for Champions League, so that we can get our aims and objectives. We say we want to enter the top 4, and we know how important that top 4 day. They're very easy. Even Wenger himself suffer. Get that for the last reign winning for Arsenal. They're very easy. The competition for top 4 in Arsenal is very, very high. You must be consistent to get in your displays. They play good, free-flowing football. So as it stands like this now, they believe don't they for Arsenal say Champions League with a good year. You get this Champions League or nothing. As we did like this now, then just pray say we could achieve our goals. And myself, I don't go like for you. I would like no go Champions League. You get, I would like them because all the players they know what it means to hear that Champions League anthem. And when you know I go hear Champions League anthem, once I go play, only God know how I go feel that day. Like I go get goosebumps all over my body because it's been long. Whether at 2014 or 2015, that be the last time. We hear that Champions League anthem. Go watch them. Like I don't watch Champions League normal other things, but they really sweet me. Like when Arsenal they play now, you said they get that feeling like yes we are there. It's called Champions League, the League of Champions. When you are there, you're one of the champions. You need to win the league to enter there. Well, what they say how the season is going. How many games we win? Game after game, we take her. Our next game now, if you're not Watford, it's a winnable game. we go there give them back. Then they fight relegation battle, so they will not be mates. Get we know the fear say maybe upsets. We'll give them as the odds. After we give them, let's start they come. They'll collect their own back. We say all those ones they be shit pack up where we did now on paper. You get after them collect, they'll go meet almighty Liverpool. Anything will happen may happen. If we want lose more lose. If we want draw more draw. If we want win more win. I don't mind. After that one, we face others will be our mates, will be our level. Give them. We just meet our level. Just slaughter them. Then we meet those way pass us. No yawa. They won't kill us. Make them kill us. That's what it just be. My even PS Morgan said, don't come outside from media set because they talk, say the Arsenal players played very, very brilliantly. This was a brilliant comeback, well played. Say the team get great resilience. This is now first time in my life. First time. While they say PS Morgan come outside when they praise Arsenal team, say them play well for their comeback. I never see them before. The way this guy they always talk negative about Ateta. Now let God save us now. If to say we draw this match, you know the kind of lash, you know the kind of talk where people will not talk on this, they will not scatter Arsenal, say Arsenal, you know they play rubbish, you know they will not talk bad, especially this PS Morgan. You will not come outside talk and say I said it. They allowed Aubameyang to go. They're gonna play for Barcelona and be scoring goals. Look at us now. We don't have a team. Be during transfer window, people they say Arsenal no science like who go score, who go score. The goals they come now. Goals go come. When the team they collect it, people we buy strikers, we buy everybody. Where them dey now? Shebi Kulusevski and Rodrigo Bentaka who won't buy. Sports career. Okay, how many goals they don't score? Where them dey for table now? Shebi now their coach they cry and say won't resign. So maybe you know they as good as everybody think. Maybe I'm not that good. Okay, watch his press conference. Look at Manchester United. They are suffering with their almighty Ronaldo, with their Sancho, with their everybody they get. Maybe it's Rashford. Gbogbo we did there. Look at us. We no sign. But now humility. Just stay humble. They take a game after game. Before you know. Season don't end. We go know where we will stay. So that's what it just be. When I just get patient. Believe. Trust in the process. At the same time, they call the interview Lacazette at the end of the game because they ask and say, I did see the dramatic end to the game. So Baba Kone say, say the way the game they end, say Nico give him a good ball. So I Nico give him that ball, just use in remaining energy. They wipe the shots. Say unfortunately for him, they no count the goal. Say 9 goal. They can't match Jose Sa own goal because the goalkeeper of Wolves, he just use a hand. Just carried the thing enter in your net, but it was very dramatic and it was very exciting, exhilarating, as in everywhere just stew. The way like I said, celebrate. That celebration again give me goosebumps. Everybody jump, all the fans, both Ateta jump up, everybody, but assistant coach, the stadium erupt, everywhere was so electric and electrifying. We said when we started the stadium, while the outside gone, I feel the goosebumps all over my body, made the Emirates erupt. How many thousand people for that place? More than 60,000 capacity stadium. Everybody erupted like a volcano. That is the stupid die. At the same time, from media sets, they call the ask Ateta say ITC, especially the way the fans they celebrate at the end, and the players. So back to say everybody know what's in that Wolves win mean to us. Not just say maybe we fight for top 4, but the fact say we lose 1-0, then for 82 minutes we equalize, we still can't win the game, especially when Wolves don't waste time. As in they are wasting time tactics. It was very frustrating. You get see, especially everything, and God come to say, okay, come on, you say come on. They walk after he waste all the whole time, at the end of the day they can't beat you now. So what's again? So that thing can make all the fans, everybody, they very happy, the bond, the mood. I know so the fans like the 12th man, the way they take the ginger the boys and the diamond of the game where they shout Arsenal. Everywhere they ginger. At the end of the day, the boys can't get that ginger, they can't turn up. Come on. Say him they encouraging boys, say make them celebrate victories. When you win, this kind of win, they're very dramatic. Come on now. You have to celebrate, you have to shout all over the roof. They even Lee Dixon, will be one of Arsenal legends, say come outside, call the talk, say make Arsenal look beyond top 4 again, maybe top 3 again, because the way they play now, they go game after game, they pick up our points. Say, the sky is the beginning for us. Say, forget more, just look beyond Manchester United with the top 4. Focus on Chelsea, so we pursue Chelsea if we catch them. So now we see him they say because Chelsea they are not so good now. You get so everything will be dependent on our game against Chelsea because we have an understanding against them. Then I think our game against Tottenham Hotspur. So that's what will happen. Then another thing we come up with say Bruno Lage, will be Wolves coach. Don't come as when they apologize to referee Matt Atkinson and apologize to Mikel Arteta for this substitution confusion. You know, say when they win, they try to delay. They do. Let's say they win. I mean, 1-1 that time. They do delay tactics. They first of all carry that whole blot. but they change players. They can't put Raul Jimenez name there. See, make them change them. Raul Jimenez no longer come outside. That's with the coach plan now. But go outside now. Mope will continue play. They no agree go. As they do kind of tactics. They push the guy no agree go. They even give a yellow card. Later, I can't like saying they go. You can't say no be in the one change. No be in the one change, but now your name there for the number. All of a sudden, Bruno Lage got to say no one change Raul Jimenez. Now, excuse when they give after the game. Say I'm sorry for the confusion. Say if you want change Raul Jimenez, later I can't change your mind. Say na Podence, now you want change. So that's why the confusion come dey. But at the end of the day, Baba, now time wasting tactics. Now they just they do. I can't believe say Wolves come Emirates Stadium. They no come attack. You get Podence was not going that forward. You get Neto was not going too forward. Neves was not. Jimenez gone. They just come. Let's say they play 5-4-1. A whole Wolves. So I know say them be attacking units. Wolves come Emirates. They fear. They just come one goal then lock up. They no one come aside. So Arsenal call they try. So then they fear us like this. They call they make mouth like say we be mate. Well, at the end of the day, your apology is accepted. We collect our 3 points. So many people now don't call for Arteta to be given the manager of the season if Arsenal qualify for Champions League. Now, what many pundits they talk now say almost say Arteta over deserve him if and only if they qualify for Champions League at the end of the season, because now what if you say even Oga Wenger try how many years work for him again. Say if Arteta fit guide this Arsenal to Champions League football, so it will be one of the greatest achievements achieve for Arsenal, because I cannot lie for you. Don't be like before we say we just enter top for anyhow. Now I'm on top for run hard die, so it no go easy. And at the same time, in right self, maybe Arsenal legend self don't come as I call it talk say, what is the sweet time about this Arsenal now? They say Arsenal don't understand what it takes to win. They know how to fight till the very, very end. You get see the referee blows the final whistle, it is not over. So now waiting a team like Arsenal supposed to do, you get fight to the end. Dig as they don't learn how to dig out results. Now waiting Man City they do, now waiting all those kind of Chelsea they do, you get now waiting Liverpool they do, know how to dig out results. At the end of the day, sometimes you play very well, you will not win. Sometimes you will not play very well and you win. But in this match, you played very well, suffered, fought for the game, and at the end of the game, we won. And that's what it just be. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, check our left top corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail of yesterday's show. Click and so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Gunners for life. That came out.